Hi guys, I want to talk about the Real Madrid match. Yeah, and I know some reasons that they lost. One, kind of good Bill, he didn't really help. That's what I heard and saw in the pictures. Okay, second reason is Casillas. He's a really good goalkeeper. And suddenly I've heard that he's gonna leave Madrid if they don't let him play. That's really sad. And also, I think Ramos could have played better if they let him play, but they still had to sub him. He wasn't feeling, I guess. Yeah. And also that was a bit Ancelotti's fault, but by how he did the team. I mean, he was experimenting by Barcelona. He should stop experimenting that much. So yeah, fuck Ancelotti.